Salut tout le monde, aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour une vidéo réaction sur le reveal stuff de l'anniversaire des 6 ans de Dragon Ball Legends. Donc moi, j'ai pas veillé jusqu'à 3 heures, j'ai dormi, j'ai fait la grasse matinée, après je me suis levé et je n'ai même pas ouvert DB Legends, donc je ne sais pas ce qu'il y a. Donc, on va réagir au reveal stuff maintenant ensemble. Par contre, j'ai été spoil par certaines chaînes. Donc, je crois qu'il va avoir un Gogeta et un Végéto. On va voir ça nous-mêmes.
Hello everyone, I'm Toshi, the producer of Dragon Ball Legends. Nice to see you all again. And of course, joining me is...
Hello everyone, I'm Yuka from the Dragon Ball Legends Global Marketing Team.
Attendez, je vais mettre les sous-titres en français. On va se retrouver tout de suite. Je mets juste les sous-titres en français.
For watching.
Voilà, c'est bon.
Today's show is a special one because we'll be telling you all about the 6th anniversary of Dragon Ball Legends. You may have seen the countdown leading up to today, and now finally, the start of the 6th anniversary campaign is just a few hours away.
That is right. 6 years is a very long time, and it's thanks to all of you. Thank you so much for playing Dragon Ball Legends. We'll keep working hard to make sure you can keep on having fun with Legends, and the first thing we have prepared for you to enjoy is the 6th anniversary campaign. We'll be revealing a lot of info for the first time, including new characters, so make sure to watch until the very end.
Yes, and as much as we like to jump right into telling you about the 6th anniversary, first, I would like to remind you all about the viewership campaign for this show.
Reveal, il dure. Attendez. Le reveal, il dure 50 minutes. Donc, je n'imagine pas le nombre de dingueries qu'on va pouvoir avoir en 50 minutes. Déjà qu'en 20 minutes, on a des grosses dingueries. Maintenant, en 50 minutes, je n'imagine pas. Donc, retour sur la vidéo.
Social media, but if this reveals and stuff special edition and the ongoing Japanese 6th anniversary live stream get a total of 100,000 views worldwide, then all players will get a gift of 500.
Là, ils sont en train de dire que si la vidéo fait 100 000 vues, chaque joueur va recevoir 500 CC gratuits.
With that, let's get talking about the 6th anniversary. First up.
Ah, les tickets.
As a show of thanks for reaching our 6th year anniversary, we're having a maximum 40-day special login bonus. As for what's in it, first, you can get 10 Sparking Guaranteed Summon
Donc, moi, je sais pas ce qu'il va avoir parce que j'étais pas là pour les anniversaires du jeu en fait. Moi, je suis arrivé sur le jeu à la période de VBU, mais je n'ai même pas drop parce que je ne savais même pas comment on invoque. Donc j'ai pas drop VBU parce que je savais pas comment on invoque. Mais je suis arrivé à sa période.
But that's not all, because this year we are once again holding 10 days, 1 Legends Limited, the campaign that rewards 1 Legends Limited guaranteed summon ticket for every 10 days you log in. During the campaign period,
donc là, tous les 10 jours, on a un LF à invoquer parce que tous les 10 jours, on va recevoir un ticket comme ça. On va recevoir le ticket là pour pouvoir invoquer et chaque jour, on aura un LF. Non, chaque 10 jours, on aura un LF, désolé.
Make sure you log in for at least 40 days so you can get 4 Legends Limited characters. There are also tons of great items useful for powering up your characters that can be earned just by logging in. So we hope you'll remember to log in each and every day. The Roulette Login campaign with a chance to get amazing
oui, les bonus de connexion
aussi. Is back this year as well. There's a 3-day cycle involved with chrono crystals and
oh, c'est intéressant. On a des cristaux, des PZLF, des gommes, des tickets, des PZ Sparking. Donc là, c'est très bien. Là, c'est
You
très
get a
bien.
chance at an amazing item just by logging in. So even on days where you are busy, you can just log in to try your luck. Next up.
You can earn 6th anniversary
Oh,
medals
là,
by
c'est...
clearing various events and missions. These 6th anniversary
On
medals
a
can
des
be exchanged for
PZLF
great
avec
items like
les
Legends Limited
pièces.
multi-Z power, as
Avec
well
les
as
pièces
messages, costumes, and accessories that
des
were
6
released
ans.
in the past. This
Oh là,
is
c'est
your
bien.
chance to
On
pick
va
up
bien se
any
mettre.
items you might have missed out on previously.
Attendez, excusez-moi.
We prepared special missions
4
for you
000.
where you can earn up to 4,000 chrono crystals.
Attendez,
You can clear the
attendez,
missions by
attendez.
collecting the 6th anniversary medals we
Attendez. Là, vous êtes en train de me dire que Toshi nous offre 4000 CC. 4000 CC d'un coup. Et vous me... Et il y a certains qui disent qu'il n'y a qu'un seul portail. Continuons, c'est bon.
mentioned earlier.
C'est bon.
These medals will be available as various events are added throughout the anniversary period. Collect as many as you can and aim for those 4,000 chrono crystals.
On a
We're
l'étiquette
holding a
d'évocation.
100 times summon with 3 Legends Limited characters guaranteed.
You need to collect 100 tickets to play this summon, right?
Yep. Missions where you can get the tickets will be added at certain times, so you can accumulate them bit by bit. The 98th, 99th, and 100th character will get you Legends Limited guaranteed. And here's the lineup. Also, this free 100 times summon
On a du
has a
One
second
Beast.
step.
That means if you manage to get through all 200 summons, you get 6 Legend Limited characters guaranteed.
It's true, but step 2 will actually be even better than step
On a
1.
même le Migate
The
Revive.
100th summon of step 2 will even
Donc ça,
include
ça
the
ne
Super
m'étonne
Saiyan
pas.
God Super Saiyan Goku, who transforms into Ultra Instinct Sai.
Missions where you can get tickets will be added throughout the anniversary period and will be available until the end of the anniversary. Feel free to gather tickets at your own pace. And next, we have our first time brand new game addition.
In this new event, complete goals and unlock panels to get bingos. Each panel has a corresponding goal, and clearing it will unlock the panel
Attendez.
and give you a reward.
Un nouveau
One
mode
sheet
de
has
jeu.
a 3x3
En
panel
plus, on a
layout,
500
and you'll
CC
get rewards for
avec
each
un nouveau
panel,
mode de
every
jeu.
bingo, and for completing the sheet.
Is there only the
Ah.
one sheet?
Nope, there are
Donc là, on a un nouveau mode
After
de
you
jeu
complete
plus
one, you'll get another.
500
So keep on
CC.
playing and try to complete them all. Clearing all of them will get you the grand reward of 500 chrono crystals. You can check a goal by selecting a panel. There are some goals that require certain plays, so be sure to make a conscious effort in taking them on.
Moving on, here's a brand new event.
Good things will happen starting every Monday in Japan time.
Là, on a des
The
bonus de
6th anniversary
connexion
period.
spécialement pour le
What types
lundi.
of good things?
Each Monday will bring a new surprise, but we think everyone will be quite happy at the start of each week. We'll leave everyone to wonder what good things will be in store every Monday.
Next, we have this.
We're holding a special PvP rating match season.
1000
to celebrate
CC.
6 years Ultra Thanks Duel.
1000.
Time, you can get special items from
Donc même
battles
pas
and
300,
missions,
200,
which can then
1000.
be traded at the exchange shop for
Ah.
chrono crystals, multi-Z power, and
1000
other amazing
CC
items.
en plus.
Plus, making this an even more
Qu'on
incredible
ajoute avec
season,
les
you'll be able to
4500
earn
CC
chrono
qu'on
crystals
avait eu.
and Legends Limited multi-Z power from the related missions. We hope you'll form a new party, including the new 6th anniversary characters, and get amazing rewards by playing. A special 6th anniversary
Ah là,
version of Treasure Battle
là
is
on
coming.
a
You'll be able to get
les combos au
special exchange
trésor.
items different from the usual treasure box
spécialement
items
pour l'anniversaire.
and exchange
Et
them
on a
for a
encore
total
1000
of
CC
1000 chrono
à
crystals
récupérer.
and more.
1000.
You can earn points to open the treasure chest through clearing goals such as land a special move one time. The goals are simple, so for players that find PvP battles difficult or don't usually play PvP content, we think this will be a great opportunity to try them out.
And now, we will talk about anniversary events people may already be familiar with. First up,
Our annual event where you can
Ah, on
summon
a le
Shenron
retour de
is back.
Shenron.
The goal is to gather the Dragon Balls
Sans
through
retour.
missions and codes to summon Shenron and have your wish granted. As usual, you can wish for things such as 1,000 Chrono Crystals like before, something a little special that awards an exclusive title that you can't get anywhere else, and more. Next, we'll be holding an event where you can choose the Z power you want. Get tickets by clearing simple missions and exchange them for one of these sparking characters' Z power. So, pick the Z power for a character that you want in your party. The anniversary version of Legends Ranking is also back.
Hein?
The medals and Chrono Crystals you can get will
On
be
a
doubled,
x2 sur les
and
CC.
slot unlock souls will be tripled. So, everyone should aim
x2
for
sur
the
les
top
médailles,
ranks.
x3.
Equipment Mega Upgrade Bonanza is here. This is planned to start
On a encore le
May
méga
25th
bonanza.
at 6 a.m. UTC. So, you'll be able to work towards powerful equipments for your new anniversary characters. The anniversary version of Hoi Poi is also here. As before, the Hoi Poi will have a step format
On
and
a
you
encore
can get
500
amazing
CC.
rewards such as a total of 500 Chrono
Donc
Crystals.
là, on est à
Spend
6000
energy to
CC.
gather Hoi Poi medals and keep trying your
Attendez.
luck.
On est qu'à 9 minutes. Qu'à 9 minutes. Et on a déjà 6000 CC. Donc imaginez-vous le total de CC à la fin de la vidéo. Imaginez. Je vous laisse mettre en commentaire. Imaginez.
The annual Test of Luck is here, once again. Chance Time. Gather Chance Time tickets by clearing specific missions and exchange them for items numbered 1 through 100. At a later date, if the item numbers you picked come up in the lottery, you win. Chance Time is planned to be held twice this year as well. So, get those exchanges done before the deadline so you can participate in the first one. I will be in charge of the lottery again this year. In addition, boost and power-up campaigns, anniversary-themed adventures, and more are planned. So, we hope you'll be able to power up the new characters you've gotten during the 6th anniversary, along with your existing characters, and form amazing new parties.
Alright, now for the moment you've all been waiting for. It's time
Le
to announce
reveal
some
des
new
persos,
6th
c'est bon.
anniversary
Le
characters.
reveal des persos.
Yes, this time we've got a special trailer prepared. Take a look.
Ok, le logo. 6e anniversaire. Oui. Oh, Kaioshin. 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 Donc là, on a un Kaioshin. La première fois sur le jeu. Sur le jeu. Oh. Goku contre Vegeta. Oh. Goku qui fait du beatbox. Goku et Vegeta, ils ont changé. Hein. Ils ont bien changé. Goku contre Majin donc. Oh, ils vont fusionner. Ils vont fusionner. Oh, fusion game. Ou bien revive. Dis-moi revive s'il te plaît, revive. Non. Non. La fusion game. Non. Non. Un tag. Saga Z-Boo. Fusion Game. Fusion Game. Ah, Fusion Game, c'est bon. C'est bon. Quoi? On ne lui avait pas de contrôle Rising. On ne lui avait pas contrôle Rising. Vous voulez me dire que le végétaux annule les contres de Rising. Donc si tu Rising avec végétaux sur un perso qui n'a pas de revive ni de survie au chaos, t'as le kill.
New characters for the 6th anniversary includes Sparking East Supreme Kai Shin, debuting in Legends for the first time ever, and Legends Limited Vegeta and Goku, who has the new ability to fuse into Super Vegito mid-battle.
We've been getting requests for a character who can fuse them in battle for a long time now, and we finally made it happen.
Right. With this character, you'll start off strategically using Goku and Vegeta as a tag character, and then you'll fight as Super Vegito, which makes for an amazing character that we're very happy to be able to bring to you for the 6th anniversary. The abilities are, of course, just as impressive as you'd expect, but we'll talk more about that later. We included a breakdance performance as a special part of the trailer. Some of the choreography represented Goku and Vegeta, and the scene at the end where they synchronized together was a reference to this new ability to fuse mid-battle.
Definitely worth watching.
The countdown videos we've been posting on social media were taken from this video, and we're actually hinting at these new characters. We hope you all enjoyed it. Now, we'd like to talk about the abilities of these new characters, including the new fusion ability. Let's start with East Supreme Kai Shen, who's debuting as a playable character. Vegeta and Goku is a melee type with the element blue. The Z Ability 3 buffs ally tag Fusion Warrior, tag Saiyan, and episode Majin Buu Saga Z characters. And, like
Le perso
Legends
est
Limited Super Vegito,
impressionnant.
who was released during the
Il est
first
vraiment
anniversary,
trop
Z
stylé.
Ability 4 has an additional effect. At Z Ability
Dommage,
4, episode
j'ai
Majin Buu Saga Z characters will get a
j'ai fait le
10% boost to
gaulement.
their max
Maintenant,
base
il me
health.
reste que
This is a
500
very powerful effect
CC.
that greatly
Comment je vais
enhances the
faire?
base durability of allies. Now, let's jump to this character's main distinguishing feature, which is the ability to fuse during battle. Firstly, Vegeta and Goku has a new feature called the Synchro Gauge, which is necessary for fusing during battle. The Synchro Gauge will increase every time you use the switch ability, or, in other words, every time you swap between Vegeta and Goku. When the gauge is maxed out, tap it to fuse. This is probably easier to understand if you see it in action, so we prepared a video for you to check out.
Switch! Please! This one time! Yes. You're trying to make this fun for me.
So, did that video help you to picture it? Now that we've introduced the Synchro Gauge, next we'll move on to the Unique Gauge. Then we'll talk about the pre-fuse. Finally, Super Vegito has the new feature, Rising Rush Defeat Nullification. Take a look at this video to see how it
Oh,
works.
il nullifie les contres de Rising. Donc, tu ne peux pas lui contrer le Rising. Bon, bah, si vous avez Super Végétaux et que vous allez en Battle of Pride, vous avez la win assurée si ça termine le timer. Si l'autre n'a pas Super Végétaux également, vous avez la win assurée si ça termine le timer. Si vous avez placé un Rising, parce qu'il ne peut pas vous le contrer. Donc, votre Rising va forcément faire beaucoup de dégâts comparé à ce Rising que vous pouvez contrer. À part si lui, il a Super Végétaux aussi.
We hope you get a feel for Super Vegeto's abilities. With both rock-solid attack and defense, we think this really captured the character's essence. Make sure to get this character and try it out for yourself. And along with this new character, the Dragon Ball Z opening theme, We Gotta Power, will be available for a limited time. It will play in battles and various other places, so be sure to play with the sound on.
Finally, let's look at an event-exclusive character.
Android 18
Oh,
is coming as
perso
a new
free-to-play.
event-exclusive character. When Android 18 returns to standby, allies will recover health
C'est
and their
18
damage
jaune
inflicted will get a boost,
free-to-play.
making this a powerful support character. Also, using the main ability will nullify enemy special cover changes, so this is a character that's very easy to use. This character has great compatibility with episode Majin Buu Saga Z and tag Android characters, so be sure to strengthen Android 18 and try some new party combinations.
We've reached the end of today's content. Looking at them all like this, there really are a ton of exciting events this year too.
There sure are. This is the once-a-year anniversary event, so we have a ton planned for everyone to enjoy.
There are a lot of free summons too, from up to 100 sparking guaranteed summons to 100 times summons with 3 legend limited character guaranteed. Players who are just starting during the anniversary will be able to reach a high power level right away.
Yes, and there aren't many opportunities to get so many characters like this, so we hope you'll collect all the various tickets.
And it's not just characters either. There are plenty of Chrono Crystals up for grabs too.
True. You can get up to 4,000 Chrono Crystals from the special mission alone, but from the Celebrate 6 Years, Ultra Tanks Duel, and Anniversary Treasure Battle, to the login bonuses and various other events, there are plenty of ways to get even more Chrono Crystals. We hope you'll play a ton and earn all that you can.
Definitely. There are a number of other events planned for the 6th anniversary that we didn't talk about here, so please look forward to those as well. Information on gift campaigns and other things we couldn't get to in this broadcast will be posted to our official social media, so please follow us. Toshi, do you have any final words for us?
Yes, I'd first like to give our players another huge thank you. It's thanks to everyone that we have been able to keep Legends going for 6 years. As I'm sure you all have noticed, as we were introducing them earlier, we prepared a ton of great events and campaigns this anniversary. The East Supreme Kai, Shin, is joining Legends for the first time ever, and we even have Vegeta and Goku with the brand new ability to fuse into Super Vegito during battle. The summon is scheduled to release later today, so sit tight. They're almost here. Let's all enjoy the 6th anniversary campaign.
That's all for today. See you again next time. Bye bye.
Bye.
Oh, la fin. Non, c'est pas la fin. La suite. Encore. Nouveau perso. 2 portails. Des baisses Broly. Des baisses Broly. Broly. Broly Edge Sparking. Un nouveau Broly. Un nouveau Broly sur le jeu. Il est vraiment stylé. Non, pas double fusion game, non, non. Non, Toshi, t'es pas assez malveillant, non. Rework tag SLG Blue. Le rework du tag SLG Blue. Le rework. Cover Strike, je crois. Cover Strike aussi. Non, non. Non. Encore Fusion Game. Non. Non, Toshi n'a pas pitié de lui. Toshi n'a pas pitié de lui. Oh. Oh, des nouvelles animations. Nouvelles animations. Le LF.
I'll take you on again anytime. Later.
Oh. Non.
Oh, we are not quite done with everything yet. From the Dragon Ball Super Broly movie, we have the new sparking Broly Fury.
Le Toshila qui n'est pas sérieux. Comment moi je vais faire avec mes 500 cc? 500 cc, même pas 1000. 500. Deux portails, deux fusion game, deux persos stylés, deux persos crack. Comment je fais? 500 cc.
Anniversary has one of the best starting lineup in Legends history, right? And these characters also got revealed following a breakdance.
Exactly. We think these new characters have been treated with the level of epicness they absolutely deserve. And so let's go over Broly Fury's abilities. Take a look at this video. Base health of tag God Key characters. Also, like Vegeta and Goku, this unit has a synchro gauge that will increase each time you tag switch. Just tap the synchro gauge when it's full in order to fuse.
Okay.
And once again, just like before, there's little difference between Goku and Vegeta here. Let's take a look at the abilities before fusion first. Regarding offense, Goku and Vegeta has an attack type unique gauge that will increase whenever this character uses strike, blast, or special move arts. When it's full, you will recover ki and draw one arts card if you have 3 or fewer cards. What's more, when the gauge is full and you use a strike, blast, or special move arts, it will reset at 0 and you'll get a huge boost to damage inflicted and gain a Dragon Ball. It's a simple ability, but
Il va faire très mal en
charge and
PVP.
then use the gauge to get a boost to damage inflicted just by using strike, blast, or special move arts makes it very powerful and easy to use. Moving on to the switch ability effects, tag switching will recover ki, draw a new card if you have 3 or fewer,
En plus, je crois qu'il est
nullify the
jaune.
enemy special cover changes.
S'il est jaune,
Using
les
either a
violets
special
sont
arts or a special move
finis.
arts will charge the switch gauge considerably. This character also has defensive abilities that will help you when you're in a jam. If you receive an attack that reduces your health down to 50% or lower, you'll nullify unfavorable element factors for damage received and reduce the enemy's ki a ton. Additionally, when you return to standby with 50% health or lower, you will recover a lot of health and charge the synchro gauge by quite a bit. Recover health when you're in trouble, get a huge boost to your synchro gauge, then use that opportunity to fuse and aim to turn the tide of battle. Now, let's take a look at the post-fusion abilities. Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan Gogeta's biggest strength is a new feature different from Vegeto's that we're calling Assault Chain. With Assault Chain, when you chain a strike arts after a strike or blast arts, your opponent's special cover changes and even their counter and evade actions that activate while receiving attacks will be nullified. Put simply, chained strike arts can ignore counters from the likes of Ultra, Ultra Instinct Saiyan Goku, and Ultra Super Saiyan 2 Gohan Youth. It'll probably
Attendez,
make more sense if
si
you
je
see it in a
comprends
video,
bien,
so check this out.
ce Gogeta, lorsqu'il enchaîne des strikes, lorsqu'il enchaîne une strike après une blast ou bien
So,
une autre
does it make
strike,
sense now? Gogeta
il
has the
annule
ability to
les
change
jeux
blast arts in your hand
uniques.
into
Donc,
strike arts
la
when
jeu
you
de
land a
Janemba
strike
ne va
or
pas
blast arts. That
proquer.
means you can score some
La jeu
real
de
damage
Guan
by using
Ultra, la
Assault Chain to
jeu
chain
de
together
Negato ne
strike
va pas
arts.
proc.
Even setting Assault Chain aside, Gogeta gets a number of boosts compared to pre-fusion. For defense, upon entering the battlefield, you'll destroy all blast art cards in your enemy's hands. This will be great for stopping combos from ranged attackers. Plus, Gogeta will nullify your opponent's wide-range special arts cards. This is a powerful ability that Son Gohan Beast from last year's Legends Festival also has.
Donc, Guan,
Lastly, let's talk about the
attendez.
main ability.
Donc, Gogeta
When
ne
using
prend
the
pas
main
les open
ability,
save.
you'll draw a special move arts card, recover 100% of your vanishing and unique cages, and destroy all of your enemy's cards. Even if you're in a bad spot without any vanishing gauge, you can recover it fully thanks to the main ability, destroy your opponent's cards, and turn your situation around drastically. That wraps up the abilities breakdown for Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Goku, and Vegeta. We think you'll get addicted to the firepower from its assault chain, so please give it a try.
The strike arts that you chain together can't be stopped by your opponent, which is just like the scene where Gogeta furiously beats down Broly.
Being able to keep up a combo of chained arts without worrying about counters or special cover changes is a great feeling. This new feature is quite powerful, so you'll want to experience it firsthand. The characters that were shown off today, Sparking East Supreme Kai Shin, Legends Limited Vegeta and Goku, as well as Sparking Broly, Fury, and Legends Limited Super Saiyan God, Super Saiyan Goku, and Vegeta, need to be obtained through different summons, which in this case are double step-up summons. You can get a bunch of Chrono Crystals during the 6th anniversary period, so use them to try and acquire your favorite characters. Following the end of the program, details on the new characters' abilities will be posted on the site listed in the description, so make sure to check it out. In addition to these new characters, the main theme to the Dragon Ball Super Broly movie, Blizzard, will be available in-game for a limited time. It will play during battles and in various other places, so please enjoy it along with We Gotta Power.
That's all for the new character info, but we still have other things to share. Starting with this.
We're having a special event for the 6th anniversary with a special story you can read.
Le même événement qu'au 5 ans. Oh là, c'est le meilleur anniversaire pour l'instant. Je vous dis, c'est le meilleur anniversaire pour l'instant.
Next up.
Un raid non-stop. Donc on a un raid qui est non-stop.
There were 7 raids held over the course of the anniversary period, but how many can we expect this year?
Well, we plan to hold a total of 7 raids again this year. There will be 700 Chrono Crystals available from each for a grand total of 4,900 Chrono Crystals, so make sure you give it a shot. Playing each raid a certain number of times will also reward raid honors. Collecting these will earn you the incredible rewards shown here. You can even earn a title, so make sure to play all 7 raids.
Next up.
We're holding a high difficulty challenge battle. It's for the 6th anniversary, so characters released for each of the anniversaries will be battle bonus characters and appear as enemies. This event will give you the true anniversary experience. There are stages ranging in difficulty from 1 star to 5 stars that you can clear each day to earn challenge medals. Those medals can then be used to exchange for these items. Legends Limited guaranteed summon tickets have even been added as a special reward from missions this time. The extra hard Battle Scream stage will once again have element-restricted challenges. If you think you've got what it takes, this is your chance to show your stuff and aim to clear them all.
Now for this event.
Choice Battle is getting a 6th anniversary version. This time, in addition to items, we've prepared stages where you can get Z-powers for these sparking characters. So, if you're still missing these characters or are looking to limit break them, be sure to choose the stage that's best for you.
Coming up, here's some info on new equipment being added.
Des nouveaux équipements
throughout the 6th anniversary campaign.
Spécialement pour les persos.
Which will be added soon, can be equipped by Tag Potara and Tag Fusion characters and will be available from the special event with the original 6th anniversary story we mentioned earlier. There will also be a new unique equipment for Tag Fusion Warrior characters available from the next Hyperdimensional Co-op. That's not all though, because we're planning to release an exclusive unique equipment for a certain special Legends Limited character as well. It won't be coming for a while yet, but you'll definitely want to keep an eye out for it. And we have one more surprise today. Take a look at this.
Les Zenkai. Zenkai. Hein? Broly. Broly Zenkai. Broly. Donc, un Gogeta Blue jaune Zenkai aussi.
Legends Limited, Super Saiyan Broly Full Power is getting a Zenkai Awakening.
This Broly arrived in the 2020
Alors moi je
Legends
pense qu'ils
Festival,
vont mettre
so
ça
this Zenkai Awakening
mercredi.
has been a long time coming.
Right. The Zenkai ability targets characters that are Element, Blue, and episode sagas from the movies. It pairs well with characters like Ultra Super Janemba or Ultra Super Gogeta, as well as Legends Limited Son Gohan Beast. So, do give those combinations a try. To take a quick look at the new abilities added, Broly's defense has been strengthened via a new permanent cut to damage received and additional recovery abilities. What's more, performing various actions in battle will recover ki, making it easier to continue combos. The best part about Broly is the tremendous firepower you can build up, and that aspect has only gotten stronger. This character's firepower in the endgame is a sight to see. Awakening Z power can be obtained in Zenkai Rush battles and missions, so use this opportunity for Zenkai Awakening.
Finally, let's take a look at the social media campaign.
We're giving out social media icons
Oh,
and smartphone wallpapers
des photos à
featuring some
mettre
of the
comme fond
characters we
d'écran.
revealed today.
It's so hard to decide which design to use.
The icons and wallpapers will be made available on our official social media after this broadcast, so be sure to check it out.
Next up is this.
After today's new characters arrive, we will be holding a share campaign for their trailers on our official social medias. If we reach a certain number of total likes, shares, and reposts, everyone will get an amazing present.
Just remember that the posts to like and share are the ones that feature the new characters we introduced today.
Yep. The new character trailers we revealed are really cool, so we'd love it if all of our followers spread it around.
And next is this.
Encore.
Legend's 6th anniversary
Des
logo is
emojis.
becoming an original X emoji.
Des
Use these
emojis.
hashtags, and Legend's 6th
C'est
anniversary
le
logo
meilleur
will automatically
anniversaire.
appear. Anyone posting from now on, be sure to add the proper hashtags.
That's all for the social media campaigns, but info we couldn't quite get to during this broadcast, as well as info on gift campaigns, will be posted later, so be sure to give us a follow. And so, that's all we have to share for today. On top of the surprise reveal of Legend Limited Super Saiyan God Super Saiyan Goku and Vegeta and Broly Fury, there really was a lot of event info to talk about, huh?
Right. Since this is a once-a-year event, we wanted to show our thanks to everyone enjoying Legends by preparing a bunch of things. This time, we're also giving out an item pack on your first login that includes great items like multi-Z power, energy, and slot removers. Please accept it all and use it well. We hope you'll enjoy the 6th anniversary campaign to the fullest.
Thank you so much for watching until the very end. The 6th anniversary campaign starts soon, so have fun. Bye!
Bye, everyone.
Au revoir. Donc, là, c'est tout pour le reveal. Donc, n'hésitez pas à liker et à vous abonner. Moi, je ne sais pas comment je vais faire. Je pense qu'il n'y aura pas d'invocation pour l'instant parce que je n'ai que 500 CC pour 2 portails. Et je ne peux pas gérer ça. Donc, dès que j'aurai un peu de CC, je vais essayer de faire un step en off sur chaque portail. Et après, je vais faire des vidéos invocation. Donc, c'est tout pour cette vidéo. C'était Darwin 1939. Ciao.